Welcome to John's Jeep Garage. This is a quick video. We were down in San Luis Pass. We're doing a few rescues and came across a man walking down the beach who was visiting from Massachusetts and had his vehicle, a rental car, stuck way on the other side. So he hitched a ride with me. We went and found his vehicle. I just wanted to show you this quick one because a lot of people don't know there's these recovery bolts or tow hooks, tow bolts that are located in the back of certain vehicles, and it made it a lot easier to recover. We used a kinetic rope just so there wasn't any heavy jerking, and did a slow pull getting him out of the situation. So follow along and thank you for watching. All right, so we are looking for a vehicle that is stuck. I got the passenger with me in the back and we'll see if we can get it out. Let's see what we got here. All right, so we're gonna pull backwards, and there's that little hole there, and right here on these vehicles they have these kits, and so this is our towing hook, and then we're gonna go ahead and screw this in. All right, so this just screws on in, and then I'm going to use this to pull them out. So I'm driving backwards and repositioning myself to pull them out this way. So I'm going to use the soft shackle and then the kinetic rope, not a hard pull. I just want to have that ability to flex as we pull. All right, we're connected. Got it here. This is going to be a slow pull. Come on, dog, come back in. All right. Just a slow pull. Get him in a better position. I'm gonna pull over here and then let him take control. Perfect, perfect. It just gets a rope off the tire, and then I'm gonna let you back up, and then I'll put that bolt back in. Well, that was a quick and easy and no damage. All right, Jeep Dog, let's see who else needs help. All right, that's a wrap. Now, we really appreciate you watching our channel, and if you like this video, we'd ask you to also subscribe to our channel and look at the other off-road recovery videos we have. Thank you.